Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. I just had a bit of a failure, but I haven't actually wiped. This is the failure. It's very dark and there's nothing going for it. And I did have some colours in there which got lost, as you can see from here and there. So what I've just done is made up a cup of black and white, and there's a little bit of gold left. I might just tip that in there too, straight from the top, sink down a little bit. And there's some yellow and gold mixed together as well. Alright, so there we go, got a little bit of colour. And I thought what I might do is a straight pour and then see what I get, because it's got to be better than this, I hope. And so here we go. There's no silicone in either any of these colours. Just give it a minute, it seems to be doing its own thing. Interesting. I'll just mix them out a bit, turn him around, easy to get hold of. Yeah, so the recipes for the colours you'll find below the video under Show More, and I'm much more happy with this one. Come on, down you go. And I'll just bring it back this way a bit. Don't know where the gold and the yellow went, but hey. Oops, oh well, there's a fingerprint. Gives CSI something to look for, won't it? Okay, I'm just bringing that down more to the middle, which is where it is. Alright, so the yellow and the gold are gone somewhere. Not to know where. Probably confidential. Alright, I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and then I'm going to torch it. I'm just looking for my lighter. I never seem to be able to find a lighter. There she is. I have it. Get the air bubbles out of that, and that's really pretty. I might bring it down just a tad this way if it wants to. Okay, and then back. There, we got it. Oh yes. Alright, so I'm just wondering if I could put a gold and black ribbon around it. Might be rather nice. So I'll just switch you off while I make some gold paint up, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. And I mixed up some gold and some black, and I've put them together in here, and I'm just going to right. Doesn't have much gold there, does it? But it will in a minute. Okay, so what I did do when I mixed the gold, I put some Floetrol in it, which is alcohol, just to maybe, if I'm lucky, get some lacing and or something. And so far it looks like it is reacting, and that is very pretty. And just yes, I like that. Maybe a bit up here. There we go, that's good. And then bring that black back. And I'm happy now. There we go. Oh, that looks really good. That gold is going to dry really nice. And these cells. I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and I'm going to torch it just a little bit more. At least I don't have to search for my lighter. I think it looks like an octopus's legs. I'll bring you down to have a look. I think it's quite effective. Certainly an eye catcher. And so that's what I was looking at. So let's have a look at this octopus's legs. That gold will really sparkle when it's dry. There's more legs. I really like it. I like octopus. They're kind of cute and they're very, very clever. Yep, the recipes for the paints and pouring medium below the video under Show More, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come there and join us. And the background's nice with the frothy waves, I guess, over the octopus's legs. And actually that could be his face, couldn't it, with a couple of eyes? Maybe I should do that. That would be too good. He's coming out of the waves. All right, where was I? Oh yes, please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Actually, what I might do is go away and put some eyeballs on him, and I'll bring you back in a minute and have a look. I won't be a minute. So I'm back. I probably didn't do a very good job, but he has got some little white eyes there, you can see. And he's coming out of the waves with all his legs and everything. It's kind of flippy floppy. A bit like me the last time I went surfing. Anyway, he's cute. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.